This month, the Reserve Bank of Australia met and kept cash rates on hold at 4.35%. There's some changes at the Reserve Bank this year with only 8 meetings a year, and also interestingly, the Reserve Bank Governor is now going to do press conferences after the event. Now, what we did see was a commentary, even though they kept rates on hold, the market expects that we're going to see rates likely come down later this year, although the Reserve Bank Governor did say there's still potential to rise. So I think overall though, given the economic numbers we're seeing, we'll likely have seen the peak of interest rates, and we hopefully will start to see some rate reductions later in 2024. In January, we saw the median house price in Perth rise to $600,000. Now that's 9.9% over what it was some 12 months ago. We also saw a rise in the median unit price, now hitting $410,000. Property prices in Perth are certainly on the way up, and we continue to see those median price increases month over month. At the moment, we've got just on 3,738 properties available for sale in Perth. That's an incredibly low number and the lowest numbers we've seen in almost 2 decades. We have seen this number drop significantly year over year, and in fact it's 46% below where it was in January 2023. This is reflected in the median days on market, where we're seeing the average or median days to sell is 9, and that's some 15 days lower than it was in January 2023. So overall, incredibly tight market, very little stock for sale. That's why we're seeing it sell quickly, and that's why we're continuing to see those prices rise. We saw the median rent in Perth reach $615 a week in January, and that's up 2.5% just in 1 month. The number of properties advertised for rent is 1,913. Now the good news is that is an increase on the December figure of about 26%, but still that's a very low vacancy rate, very low numbers of properties advertised for rent, and we are continuing to see rental price growth. In January, we saw a number of suburbs right across Perth perform particularly well in terms of price growth. Our top performing suburb was Mindarie, where prices grew 3.7%. We also saw Como grow at 3%, Camillo and Armidale were up 2.4%, and Bull Creek was up 1.8%. So once again, we saw another month where prices across the varying suburbs right across Perth and also across different price points continue to grow. Normally in January, expect the property market to go a little bit quieter as people take leave, go on holidays, and are not as interested in real estate. But what we have seen this January is buoyant activity from the first day. Our buyers agents reported that even in the first week of January, they were seeing 60 plus people through home opens. And again, we saw multiple offers on many properties. The fact that there's lots of people interested in buying homes and renting homes, we still expect a very buoyant year and continued price growth. If you'd like more information on what's happening in the market, or you'd like to learn more about investing in property, please visit our website, momentumwealth.com.au, or give us a call on 9221 6399.